Welcome to Middle Class Matters. Today we will see a news item on Comptroller and Auditor General Report, that is CAG report on derailment in Indian Railways. Performance Audit Report number 22 of 2022. The audit period is April 2017 to March 2021 as per auditing standards of CAG. Audit was conducted during the year 2021. This is the Auditor General's report, CAG report on this subject. The focus of the audit was to ascertain measures to prevent derailments or collisions were clearly laid down and implemented by Ministry of Railways. Point number 2, timely conducting of investigation and implementation of the preventive recommendations. Point number 3, deployments of funds in accordance with the guidelines of Rashtriya Rail Samraksha Kosh RR SK. The summary of the conclusions are: there were shortfalls ranging from 30 to 100% in inspections by track recording cars required to assess geometrical and structural conditions of railway tracks. Para number 2.2. The idling of track machines was noticed on account of blocks not given by the operating department, contributing to 32%. Blocks not planned by divisions, contributing 30%. Operational problems, contributing 20%, non-availability of staff 5%, and no scope of work, contributing 3%. Para number 2.4.1. Point number 3, analysis of 1,129 enquiry reports of derailment accidents in 16 zonal railways (ZRs) revealed 24 factors responsible for derailments in the selected cases or accidents. The total damage or loss of assets in these cases was reported as rupees 32.96 crore as per para 3.2.2. Total 422 derailments were attributable to the engineering department. The major factor responsible for derailment was related to maintenance of tracks, that is 171 cases, followed by deviation of track parameters beyond permissible limits in 156 cases as per para 3.3.1. Point number 5, the number of derailments attributable to the mechanical department was 182. Defects in wheel diameter variation and defects in coaches or wagons were the major contributor, contributing 37% to the factors responsible for derailments under para 3.3.1. Point number 6, the number of accidents attributable to the Loco Pilots was 154. That is, bad driving or overspeeding was the major factor responsible for derailments as per para 3.3.1. Point number 7, the number of accidents attributable to the operating department was 275. Incorrect setting of points and other mistakes in shunting operations accounted for 84% cases. Para 3.3.1. Point number 8. In 63% cases, the enquiry reports were not submitted to the accepting authority within the prescribed time schedule. In 49% cases, there was a delay in acceptance of the reports by the accepting authorities as per para 3.4.1. Point number 9. The overall expenditure on priority 1 works from RRSK showed a declining trend from 81.55% in 2017-18 to 73.76% in 2019-20. The allotment of funds for track renewal works declined from rupees 9,607.65 crores in 2018-19 to rupees 7,417 crore in 2019-20. The funds allocated to track renewal works were also not fully utilized. Out of 1127 derailments, 1127 derailments during 2017-21, 289 derailments, that is 26%, were linked to track renewals as per para 4.3 and para 4.4. Point number 11. Fire extinguishers had not been provided in 27,763 coaches, that is 62% of the total coaches, in violation of extant norms as per para 6.2. 12. Out of 2,908 manned level crossings, which is 9%, targeted for elimination during the year 2018-21, only 2,059, which is 70%, level crossings were eliminated as per para 6.3.1. The major recommendations, the summary of the recommendations of the CAG are: Indian Railways should ensure adherence to the scheduled timelines for conducting and finalization of accident enquiries. Point number 2. Indian Railway may develop a strong monitoring mechanism to ensure timely implementation of maintenance activities by adapting fully mechanized methods of track maintenance and improved technologies. Point number 3. Railway administration must follow the guiding principles for development of RRSK funds to avoid fund constraints in the area of priority 1 works. Point number 4. Indian Railways may prepare detailed outcome framework for each item of safety work as per the indicative outcomes to gauge whether the benefits derived out of the RRSK funds are in conformity with the objectives behind this creation of the fund. The briefing on this item will be continued in next videos. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, give your comments for improvements. Thanks for watching.